In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get data from other forms in Jotform Tables. This feature is incredibly useful if you're managing multiple forms and need to consolidate data into one unified view. We'll be focusing on how to use Jotform's Connected Tables feature to create a dynamic link between forms, allowing for efficient data management and streamlining your workflow. So let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to open up the table for the first form, which we'll call Form A for simplicity's sake. This is your starting point and where you'll be pulling information from another form into. Once you're in the table view for Form A, look towards the top of your screen and click on the option to add a new column, which you'll do by clicking on plus add column. From there, navigate to the section labeled widget and look for an option that says lookup relationship. This part of the process is where you'll make the crucial connection to your second form, which we'll refer to as Form B. You'll need to select Connect to another table, and this is where Form B's data will come into play. You are essentially telling Jotform to draw data from Form B to display in Form A's table. Next, you'll embark on configuring the relationship between these two forms, which is an integral part of ensuring the data is displayed accurately and usefully. Here, you'll decide which specific column from Form B's table you want to incorporate into Form A. By doing this, you're not just viewing the data from another form, but actively integrating it into your current workspace, allowing for greater flexibility and control over your information. Now, with these steps completed, you've successfully set up a dynamic link between Form A and Form B. This means that any relevant data from Form B can now be both displayed and referenced directly within Form A's table. This integration is particularly advantageous as it allows for real-time updates and the ability to manipulate data across forms without needing to manually collate information. It essentially acts like a bridge connecting your disparate datasets into one cohesive system. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've leveraged Jotform Tables' Connected Tables feature to streamline your data analysis and reporting processes. With these skills, you can more effectively manage data across various forms, making your operations smoother and more integrated. Do remember that practice and exploration can deepen your understanding of all Jotform has to offer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one.